Hello. Today I'm introducing about the short sound, the letter, the vowel O and the vowel U. Okay, two different sounds, but sometimes it's very close. You can I have a tendency, even myself, sometimes to make them sounds a bit similar, but they're close, but they're different. Okay, so we have for letter O. Okay, short sound is ah, ah. So you have to open like ah, open more around your mouth, and here, more around. Okay, when you have the letter U, it sounds more relaxed. Okay, less open in the mouth. It's more like a okay, like short uh uh ah So I will give you some words that sound, you write almost the same except for the vowel. Okay, short sounds are different. Like hot is hot. Okay, no quite hot, but you can say hut, hut, Pizza Hut. Okay, hut. Okay, I have the word jog, jog, and jug, jug. A cup, cup of tea, cup, and cop. Call the cops, the police, cop. Um, Boss, my boss, boss. Chủ. And take the bus, bus, bus. Boss, bus. Caught, caught, and cut, cut. I cut my arm. Which one you have? The dog, 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 ruff, dog, and dug, dug. Hot, hot, pot, caught, and cut. Okay. Um. So I'm going to give you some of the O sound alone. Okay. So I repeat. I have hot, jog, pot, cop, boss, caught, lock, got, caught, bought, not with the K. That is, we don't pronounce the K when we have the letter N following. So at the beginning of words, like not and not, not me, not me. Son, that's another one. Son, hey son, my con trai, son. And the sun, mà chơi, we say son, son. In US, yeah, American English, we say call, call me, call me. The wall, the wall. Water, oh no, water. Wash, British ways. Wash, I wash. Watch and wash. Want, I want. Yawn, yawn. Yacht, my yacht, British way of saying my yacht. Thought, mother, I taught you. I thought and I thought. Fond, I'm fond of you. Brother, mop, collar, collar. Pop, golf. Was, in British, was, I was, was, was. Okay, letter U, cup, up. Remember the word up. Okay, I'm up, up. So say and not and say cup, up, jug, dug, cut, look. Letter O would say lock, lock, lock the door, lock. But I'm lucky, luck, luck. Does, us, we, us. It's not all, it's us. Son, come, some, done, sut, fun, cousin, bus, gut, bought. US way of saying I bought, to buy, but once, flood, mud, tough. You were saying was, I was, bun, okay, bun. So say from to okay. Yeah, there are so many words. Have fun. Like and subscribe to my channel if you like it too. Okay, bye.